Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Cloud. A lot more time we may have heard about OSI or TCP/IP layer. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the layer of OSI, which is data link layer. So let's get started and please watch the video till end. So as we know that the data link layer is the second layer of OSI and also called as layer 2 protocol. It is responsible for host-to-host delivery of data, and its major role is to ensure error-free transmission of information. The data link layer is also responsible for encoding, decode, and organizing the outgoing and incoming data. This layer is kind of complex layer as this layer is stay between physical layer and the other layers. The major task of data link layer is that the data link layer receive the information in the form of packet from the network layer. It divides packet into frames and send those frames bit by bit to the underlying physical layer. So further moving on, now let's look into the two sublayer of the data link layer, which is logical link control LLC and media access control MAC. The LLC sublayer of the data link layer deals with multiplexing, the flow of data among application and other services. LLC is responsible for providing error message and acknowledgements as well, where MAC sublayer manages the devices interaction, responsible for addressing frames and also control the physical media access. The data link layer receives the information in the form of packet from the network layer. It divides packet into frame and sends those frame bit by bit to the underlying physical layer. Moving on, let's now look into the benefit of data link layer in function model, like framing. The packet received from the network layer is known as frame in the data link layer, and data link layer receive packet from the network layer and divide them into small frames, then send each frame to the physical layer. Now addressing. The data link layer encapsulate the source and destination MAC address in the header of each frame to ensure node to node delivery. The MAC address is unique hardware address that is assigned to the devices while manufacturing. Okay, now it has the error control. So data can get corrupted due to various reasons like noise, attenuation, etc. So it is the data link layer responsibility to detect the error in the transmitted data and correct it. There we have flow control. If the receiver receiving speed is lower than the sender speed, then this ca this can lead to an overflow in the receiver buffer and some frames may get lost. So it is the responsibility of data link layer to synchronize the senders and receivers speed and establish flow control between them. Now, access control. When multiple devices share the same communication channel, there is a high probability of collision. So, it is the responsibility of data link layer to check which device has control over the channel. So, this is the main function of data link layer. Also, there are some main function in the data link layer which are called as the protocol, which like LLDP, link layer discovery protocol. So LLDP is a vendor neutral and it is commonly used as a component in network management. CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol. Cisco Discovery Protocol is a proprietary protocol that supports the IEEE 802.1ab version of LLDP. IP route. This command contains information from the IP routing table and that can be used to forward a packet through the best path toward its destination. Then we have the FDB, forwarding database. FDB stores the MAC address of the discovered devices and their respective ports. This protocol is preferred for discovering switches. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ARP map dynamic IP, which is layer 3, with MAC address layer 2. ARP translates 32-bit address to the 48-bit and vice versa. Then we have the multi-link trunking protocol, MLT. Multi-link trunking protocol provides high-speed, fault-tolerance connection between the servers, switches, and routers by grouping all Ethernet link into a single logical Ethernet link. Then it has CAN, Controller Area Network. CAN facilitate the communication between application of microcontrollers and their devices without relying on a host computer. At the end, we have triple P, point-to-point protocol. Triple P allow you to establish communication between two routers without the help of any other host. These are the other function protocol of the data link layer. There are some more protocol which work on the data link layer are like ArcNet, ATM, EcoNet, Ethernet, automatic protection switching, then FDDI, frame relay, HDLC, IEEE 802.2 and 802.11 wireless, LatticeNet, then LAPD, local talk, and then other like multi-protocol MPLS, then NDP, SLIP, Starlan, spanning tree protocol, token ring, and UDLD. So this is all about the fundamental of data link layer. And if you would like to know more about the OSI or TCP/IP layer or layer 2 or layer 3 frames and many more protocol, please visit the channel page. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.